What's up, everybody? So I'm back with another unboxing. It's been a while. I haven't did an unboxing video for you guys. Something's wrong with my computer, so I can't edit videos no more. So right now I'm fixing my computer, see what's going on. It maybe take a while, but yeah. So I'm gonna still continue doing videos for you guys, and yeah. So see this package right here, straight from eBay, handled with care. Open up a little bit and see what the movie is. So I already know what movie it is. Wrong Turn 4. I think that's what it says, 124. So yeah, so we're gonna do the cut the package off and show you the inside of it. Alright. Okay. Nothing there, so yes it is, so it's 124, and we got a note. How much I paid for it? $16.50. Not bad. Actually, it's kind of rare that you get it with the slick cover. So yeah, so that's 124. The Bloody Beginning, unrated, Blu-ray plus DVD. So yeah, so check this fine. Also on the back, show a couple of screenshots. Also special feature. Guys can read on your own. And yeah, so it's kind of rare to find it with a slip cover. So yeah. So you can see it's the same thing as a slip cover. Nothing special. Open up for the first time. I know CD came off. That's the DVD version. A little scratched up. Don't care. The Blu-ray. Here goes. It looks okay. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and see you on my next upcoming video. So yeah, peace.